Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing the slime, and I opened the ghost for this. Oh, I'm making a mess here. And I got my super gloves on here. Put some on for you. Here's the extra gloves. There you go. Okay, I'm kind of done here. And here's the other one I opened up. Okay guys, that's enough for me. Now mixing. Okay guys, let's start mixing. It's so hard. Guys, right now this boy got it. That's what I was paying attention to. Ugh, this is a disaster. I'm such a noob. Look at that, I'm such a noob and I barely even put anything. Comment down below if I'm a noob. OMG, that's messy up. Hey guys, it's not working out as good as everyone, but it looks like cereal. Let's add more Tide. Ew, look at that. Anyways, more Tide. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, guys. So I put some Tide, so should be going.
I believe that can go.
Not yet. Okay, guys, we're here.
She needs an injection. Dorsey can give her a shot. How are you feeling? Let's all give it a shot yourself.
She was gonna tell me to go in the shower, but I said, sorry, in my video. She said, okay, thanks for not being grumpy. Because, like, you know, in the morning I'm not grumpy, but sometimes I can be grumpy.
Can you finish yourself?
Okay.
What happens if you don't get it? Put the gun.
What? Where he at? Okay, guys, well, here, let me show you my slime. Let me flat it. And it perfectly worked, but, you know, I don't have to hide it. So, here, look at me. Okay, look at it. It's flat. Okay, well, bye, guys.